Just want to make sure I just making a check on our connections, and there was a break somewhere. So I am now very sure of what we are doing. There must be output. So now I'm raising the temperature steadily, and you also check on the output. If you look at now, there's the output. Fan up, output 243. If I have to rise to take it down, it is falling steadily. Look at the output, is there 243 volts up until, yeah, look at it. No output. Now I'll raise it steadily again. That's the output. I thank you for taking with us on this one. Bringing it down. No output. Output soon. Registering the output. Yes, that's output. So I thank you for being with us on this one. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for participating. Now we have got our output. Thank you. No output on the extractor. No signal. No. See? Fan 243 off. As you can see. So another thing is we have to check on other parameters. Right now we have got our heater 1, which is usually here. This is our heater 1. This is our heater 2. Output, and this is our wet. Yes, as you can see, all the 3 parameters are running. Heater 1, heater 2, and wet. Then when it comes to turning, we also want to check on turning. That's the turning. If I have to leave it, see, there is no turning. If I take the right turn, right turn, sorry, if I am to take on the right turnings, yes, that's the right turn. We have got 243 volts. That's our power. I thank you for being with us. We put the up and down, wet, heater 1 and 2, fan, everything's going well. There is output. Thanks for taking part on this video. We urge Bottle Electrical Solutions. I thank you.